In this video, you'll learn how to add a donation item in Square so you can start accepting contributions. To get started, expand the Items section in your dashboard. Then select Item Library to manage your available offerings. Click Create Item to begin adding something new to your catalog. In the Item Creation form, open the Item Type dropdown, then select Donations so customers can contribute directly to your cause. Next, click the Name field and enter a clear, inviting name for your donation item. Then set a starting price or leave it blank if you want donors to choose their own amount, making it flexible for supporters. Add an image or write a professional description for your donation to help visitors understand its purpose. Then confirm your description settings. Upload a relevant image to personalize your donation item and encourage more engagement. If your donation includes options like preset amounts, use variations to add and configure those choices, and close any dialogues you don't need to keep your item simple. Save your new donation item to add it to your online store or point of sale. Finally, double-check that the item's status is set to available so customers can start donating right away. You've just set up donations on Square. Now you're ready to receive support from your community.